IL Café. We have you covered.
Welcome to IL Café. My name is Sheetal, and today we're going to be catching up with a member of the ICICI Lombard family, and that person is Abhishek Saraf, and he's here to tell us about two offerings, and I'm quite certain you'll walk away with more information than you have right now as we begin this conversation. One of them is called the Health AdvantEdge policy, and the other one is BeFit Rider. So both these are what we're going to be catching up with Abhishek about. Well, thank you so much, Abhishek, and welcome to IL Café.
Thank you, Sheetal. So certainly I will explain you both the benefit, Health AdvantEdge and BeFit. We'll start with Health AdvantEdge first. Mm-hmm. So Health AdvantEdge is a comprehensive health insurance policy which cover all your healthcare needs. So it has a cover from inpatient to outpatient and also have an add-in like a CIN, personal accident. And some of the key benefits which include in this product is a worldwide cover where we cover both planned and unplanned treatment. Then we have air ambulance cover which is covered up to sum insured. Home care treatment where a doctor has prescribed that the treatment can be taken at home. So this feature is very useful and it was very useful at the time of COVID as well. Then we have unlimited teleconsultation where we cover 24/7 teleconsultation. A customer can connect with the doctor 24/7 from IL Take Care app. We have a reset benefit which cover also same illness. So as you know, Sheetal, people buy a sum insured, suppose on average a 10 lakh sum insured. And what happens if that sum insured exhausts during the policy period? So we have that unique benefit, reset benefit. For the same illness, a customer can basically top up the sum insured from 10 plus 10. So that's a great benefit a customer can have. And in addition to that, we also have guaranteed cumulative bonus. Okay. So why it's called guaranteed is basically every claim fee year, we give 20% of the sum insured as a bonus. Right. And in case a customer claims, so we don't deduct anything. So that's the reason we call it guaranteed. So 20% every year, maximum up to 100%. Okay. Now every customer have different needs. So everybody can opt for different add-ons by paying extra premium. Example, maternity benefit, which is covered at a waiting period of 9 months. So this again is a unique thing where in the market people do such kind of benefit a waiting period of couple of 3 years, but here we cover it after 9 months. Another thing where most of the customer doesn't want to pay anything out from the pocket in the hospital. When they go hospital at the time of discharge, there are a lot of non-payables where the hospital direct the payment. So now with the add-on like claim protector, a customer can opt this cover and basically non-payable will also be covered in this policy. Right. Another unique benefit here, to beat inflation, we have a sum insured protector, a unique cover where a guaranteed percentage of sum insured is increased every year. For an example, suppose the inflation rate is 7%, every year your 7% sum insured will increase irrespective of the claim. So there's nothing to do with the claim, it's just to beat inflation. Right. So these are the host of coverage which we have in Health AdvantEdge policy, which gives the flexibility to the customer to make their own plan and take the cover which they need. Right. Yeah. Customer clearly at the focus or the center of all that you have thought of with respect to this particular offering. I can hear that, Abhishek, and I really like the last point about beating inflation, because that's really on everybody's minds, whether it is something like this, a topic we're discussing, or buying a home or anywhere at all. But let me come to this other reality that all of us are in. Everything these days is online, right? So why should someone consider buying this, policy, the Health AdvantEdge policy, online? So Sheetal, what happens, everybody want to basically surf online and to check each and every benefit by their own. So what happens, so when you go buy a health insurance policy online, you have access to all the information and also allow you to compare the policies with the other insurer, and a customer can take an informed decision. That's the reason people go for buying online policy, so that they have the more information and they can take informed decisions. Well, thank you for that pointer. It helps us understand what the options are with respect to, getting hold of this particular policy. There's another one you mentioned, BeFit Rider, right at the start of our conversation today. So I think it's time to get our viewers some insights on what this is all about. What is BeFit Rider? Sure. So when we launched BeFit Rider, it was one of the unique, proposition in the market where we were providing this OPD coverage, which was 100% cashless digital solution. So you don't have to visit anywhere, or you don't have to basically go anywhere to avail such kind of benefit. This can be done through your home through the IL Take Care app. So it allows policyholder to have all the discussion with your general physician, specialist, super specialist, or Ayush doctor also online. And this facility is available 24/7. Okay. So this product was kept in mind that all your everyday healthcare needs, apart from inpatient hospitalization, is covered under this product. Okay. So as we already said, it was a BeFit Rider. So on top of a base policy which you have already taken, you can buy this cover. Okay.
Right.
And to add, I just want to add a couple of things more. What are the benefit which we have in BeFit cover? So to start with, as I already said, we have outpatient service where we cover physical doctor consultation also, and we also cover 24/7 teleconsultation. Other than that, we cover your pharmacy cost, diagnostic cost, physiotherapy session, and also today, I think in today's world, most of the people are opting such kind of feature like dietitian and nutrition counseling. So everybody is conscious of the diet of health, and that facility you can available through our IL Take Care app.
Right. Absolutely. And after the festive season is over, all the more reason to actually focus on your diet. That particular angle is going to go for a toss in some time as all the sweets really come out, get rolled out, during Navratri and certainly after that in Diwali. So useful pointer over there. But Abhishek, tell me, how can someone avail of this cashless claim service for the BeFit rider? And also another question that I had in my mind, you mentioned base health insurance policy to which this can be, added on. So which are the ones from ICICI Lombard that are eligible for the BeFit rider?
So I will come back to your second question first. So if you talk about the base policy, like the other product also Golden Shield, so all our health indemnity policy retail can be taken up with a BeFit rider. So there is no restrictions that this policy doesn't have BeFit rider. All our healthcare indemnity policy will have a BeFit rider option to the customers. Now, coming to the first question, how we can avail it. So as I said, it's a 100% digital solution. So to avail these services, you need to download IL Take Care app, register, and then select the respective service icon on the app homepage to access the benefit. For example, so if you log in, if you already have a policy, and if you log in with your registered mobile number, your policy will be linked directly to our app. And on the homepage, you have an option like teleconsultation, HRA. So you can opt any of the facility and you can avail the service. So it's very, I will say, a customer-friendly app where you don't require any kind of basically assistance.
So moving on, right, I want to ask you a little bit more, since you mentioned dietitians and we spoke about that briefly a while ago as one of the many categories. A little bit more, I think, detail will be very helpful for our viewers in terms of the kind of healthcare professionals that they can have access to via this health insurance coverage.
Yeah, absolutely, Seetal. So we have a wide range of doctors and medical professionals who are basically, we have done a tie-up. Right. Start from the general practitioner, specialist, super specialist, and Ayush doctors. So when we talk about specialists, we have seen the majority of the take-up in the consultation is from specialists. So like the people are more keen like back pain, shoulder pain. So most of the people have availed such kind of benefit. Apart from that, we have seen people have availed benefit like for diabetes and hypertension, which are basically now a lifestyle kind of disease where the most of the queries has come across. So what happened when we have such kind of wide range of doctors, this ensure that they can receive the care which every day their healthcare needs provide. So now what happens, most of the people doesn't know where to go to avail such kind of benefit. Like today I'm working in Mumbai, maybe it's not my hometown. So what happens, I don't know what kind of a specialist I need or where to go. So such kind of a product like BeFit Rider, where we provide 100% solution online, the customer can opt the specialist as per their choice. Yeah. So this give an option to the customer so that they can avail the benefit as per their choice without going anywhere.
Understood. And that point that you made is so true, right? A lot of us actually work outside of our hometowns now, have moved to cities, etc., and access to healthcare professionals. Sometimes that itself is the first question mark, right? Who do I seek out? And important to have raised at that point, I imagine. Access to different specialists also, as you underlined. Now, if you were to just summarize some of the key benefits of both the offerings that we spoke about, the health AdvantEdge policy and also BeFit Rider, what would you say to our listeners?
So absolutely, Sheetal, what I'd like to say, definitely when you're looking for a comprehensive health insurance coverage, which cover OPD as well as IPD, this both product solution provided by ICICI Lombard covers all the need of the customer. And top of that, a customer, in case of they require a PA and CI cover also like personal accident CI, they can opt as an add-on in Health AdvantEdge. So no doubt, if a customer is in India and looking for a reliable healthcare coverage, customer can opt for Health AdvantEdge and BeFit Rider together.
Well, I think that completes our understanding of two offerings from the ICICI Lombard universe and IL Café today. And I'm super glad that we're able to spotlight, different offerings that we have that have the customer at focus and address some of the common pain points that people have in their experience to seek out good products in this particular sector. Thank you so much for talking to us, Abhishek. And here's wishing you and your family a very happy festive season going forward and the best of health, of course.
Thank you, Sheetal. Same to you. It's been a pleasure being here and sharing the information to all our viewers.